In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best car radar detectors available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the car radar detectors mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, 3-in-1 car dash cam with radar GPS. This advanced 3-in-1 dash cam combines a radar detector, rearview mirror, and GPS navigation in one sleek design. Featuring Android 5 with Wi-Fi support, it records in FHD 1080p, ensuring clear footage for safety and security. The built-in parking video recorder provides extra protection when parked. With its real-time radar detection system, it enhances driving awareness, helping you avoid speed traps and hazards. A must-have for modern drivers seeking convenience and protection. Number 4, Car Alarm System with BSD Radar Detector. Upgrade your car's safety with this high-tech alarm system featuring a blind spot mirror, BSD, BSA, and BSM assistance. Specifically designed for Mercedes-Benz models, it enhances driving confidence by alerting you to vehicles in blind spots. The integrated radar detector provides an extra layer of protection. This system ensures safer lane changes and improved awareness, making it a valuable addition to your vehicle's safety features. Drive with confidence knowing you're covered from all angles. Number 3, ZJCGO 77 GHz BSD Radar Detector for Mercedes-Benz, designed for Mercedes-Benz GLE W166, 2015 to 2019. This 77 GHz BSD radar detector improves blind spot detection and driving safety. It alerts drivers to vehicles in adjacent lanes, reducing collision risks. The system integrates seamlessly with your car's mirror assistance for enhanced situational awareness. Its high-frequency radar ensures accurate detection, making it an essential upgrade for safer driving. Whether on highways or in busy city traffic, this BSD radar detector enhances your vehicle's safety features effectively. Number 2, Blind Spot Warning Radar for Toyota Reiz Mark X120. Enhance your Toyota Reiz Mark X120 with this BSD, BSA, and BSM blind spot warning system. It provides real-time alerts for vehicles in hard-to-see areas, preventing dangerous lane changes. The advanced rear radar detection system improves safety and driving confidence, particularly on busy roads. Easy to install and designed for precision, it's a perfect addition for those seeking enhanced road awareness. Drive smarter and safer with this reliable blind spot detection solution. Number 1, Car Radar Detector Blind Spot Monitor for Honda. This advanced radar detector and blind spot monitoring system is designed for Honda CR-V, Civic 5 Malawian Quachas, and HR-V. It features a microwave sensor for real-time alerts, ensuring safer lane changes and improved driving awareness. The system effectively detects vehicles in blind spots, reducing the risk of side collisions. Whether driving in the city or on highways, this essential safety upgrade enhances your vehicle's protection. Enjoy a smarter and safer driving experience with this modern alert system.